Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna show you how to do very delicious fasting dessert for, let's say, for Passover or for Ramadan. Anybody's fasting it. It's with the date. Date is very healthy fruit it is, which everyday people they should eat at least 3 dates a day because it's very good for your stomach. It cleans your system. It has a lot of good health benefits. So what do we have to do now? I want to show you. We have the dates over here, which everybody knows it. It has seeds in it. The dates, you have to clean the seeds, which I already did. The dates, while we open them, we have to take a walnut and put in it and squeeze it just like this. All the walnut, even walnut, it's very healthy for you. It has a lot of good benefits. We put this just like this. You can smash it so it will hold together. And then we take a piece of bread. You can use pita bread or you can use lavash bread. And we roll it just like this. You'll just roll it like this and you squeeze it, put upside down so it doesn't open. Now we have a very good grill over here, which I already prepared some and I put it. And when you put them here, it makes the dates more juicier. Now it's optional. If you want, you can just rub it a little bit oil on it so it will give kind of a shiny, look. And then you kind of close it and you let it cook for, when I say cook, like toast, I should say. You can even put cinnamon on it on top of the bread because it really gives good smell, good taste. Those are done. We're gonna put them here. This is very good when you have a guest. Like I said, it's for Ramadan, for Passover, for any fasting, anybody that does the fasting, they will use this, and this is very delicious. If you didn't try it any time of the year, even you can make it even for Christmas. We can do this and we can enjoy it, the sweet with a little piece of bread. You can sprinkle just like this and you cover it, and of course when it's on, it tells you if it's done or not. You will enjoy it. And this flower, it's edible. I love to always decorate with flowers in my dish. So I'm gonna leave this, like, it will take like from 1 to 2 minutes maximum, not even 2 minutes. It will be ready and you will enjoy it. And sometimes you can even put extra date next to it so people, they will know what it is if somebody never seen it. But fill it with walnut. This is one of the really healthiest and tastiest fruit ever. There you go. Let me see this one if it's done already. Here we go. It already looks crunchy, prepared, baked. There we go. Let's turn this off. There we go. I hope you'll try this and you will really love it. It's very healthy, it's good, and it's good for holidays to serve it on the table with other dessert. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and enjoy it. Bye bye.